here who want to end that and turn us into a third world country that's under the knuckles and grip of the globalists. And you don't have to be a conspiracy theorist to see it right in front of you. To see people like George Soros pouring billions into these races to produce people who fundamentally hate America. They're fomenting division. They're pitting races against each other. They're teaching children to hate white people and to hate Americans and certainly to hate God. The one bright spot in all this is the parents' revolt. There are a lot of school boards that flipped, and a lot of parents, and it flipped in Virginia last year. Parents are waking up. They're pulling the kids out of public schools, and they're also trying to fix the public schools. I don't know if they can be fixed, but boy, they ought to stop them from doing so much damage to children.
Robert Knight is our guest here today on Crosstalk, and we're going to open our phone lines. Maybe you've got a question you'd like to ask, maybe a comment or observation. Again, we're going to ask that you keep it to a minute or less so that we can obtain multiple levels of feedback from listeners across the country. Our telephone number to Crosstalk, 800-733-9829. That's 1-800-733-9829. A quick break. We'll be back with more information here in just a moment and taking your calls. Lines beginning to light up here, 800-733-9829. We'll be right back on Crosstalk. Study the Word of God. You go through the Bible systematically and read the comprehension. You desire to learn more than what you have in the past. BCY America is offering a package set of 4 books by Ron Rhodes from Rethink the Scripture Ministries. These Bible study books provide a systematic approach to help you gain better understanding of the Bible. Included in this set is 90 days through the New Testament in chronological order, providing overviews, powerful insights, and personal application. 40 days through Genesis, discover the story that started it all. 40 days through Daniel, revealing God's plan for the future. And 40 days through Revelation, uncovering the mystery of the end times. These 4 books are available as our way of saying thank you for your donation of $49 or more by calling BCY America at 1-800-729-9829. Don't let the lack of a Bible study plan keep you from daily devotions. Call 1-800-729-9829. We're joined across talk on BCY America, and with us tonight, this afternoon, I should say, some of you listening at night in a rebroadcast, Robert Knight with us, and he has put forth a column every week dealing with the issues that are going on in our society, and from a conservative Christian perspective. And Bob, I understand that these columns that you write, they're available to go out to our Crosstalk listeners.
Yeah, I write them for the Washington Times, and then I send them out by email the first thing Monday morning every week. They're free. You've had several hundred people from your listeners sign up for my list, so I welcome more. And they just have to send me an email at robertknight4, that's the number 4, at gmail.com. You don't have to write me. I mean, I'd appreciate a note if you want, but if you just put sign me up in the subject line, that's robertknight4 at gmail.com. Okay, and again, Knight is spelled with a K, K-N-I-G-H-T, Robert Knight, the number 4, at gmail.com, and all you have to do, folks, is in the subject line, sign me up, and he'll add you to his distribution list, and keep you informed, and you'll gain his perspective on a number of issues that are hitting our country. Let's go right to the phone lines. They are packed. We're going to begin with Tom in Fort Wayne, Wisconsin. Tom, you are on the air.
Thank you. I called you prior to the election when Bill Federer was on, and I think if anybody needed any evidence of the 2020 election being fraudulent, this election is the evidence for that. And my question to Mr. Knight would be this majority in the House, just a handful over to be the majority, how easy is it for the left to have these compromised Republicans in the House simply stymie any investigation or to do anything to advance the cause of Republicanism?
That's a good question. The Democrats only had a paper-thin majority right now in the House under Nancy Pelosi, and yet they've done a huge damage to the country. And the Republicans need to say, well, okay, we just have a small majority, but we have the committee chairmanships. We can launch investigations. And by the way, we don't have to have all the Republicans aboard. Jim Jordan can go ahead and chair his committee and open investigations. People like that. That's what's got to happen. And they really, I think a lot of people are going to expect them to do something, not just sit there and be a rubber stamp for whatever the Democrats in the Senate want, whatever Biden comes up with. They've got to be a solid wall against what's been going on in this country. I think they can be. And Kevin McCarthy is going to have to find a backbone and just say no to Democrats on every key issue. I think he can do it, but he needs support. And yeah, there'll be a few rhinos in there that will try to undercut it, but I don't think they'll be able to. I think there's so much sentiment in this country for somebody to stand up and do something, especially about the open border. I mean, Biden should have been impeached by now for that. They couldn't do it in a Democratic-controlled House. They could do it now, even if they know that the Senate wouldn't convict. Still, Trump wasn't convicted either time either, but boy, it tied up his administration.
Tom, thanks for the call. We're going next to Molly. Hi, Molly, you're on the air.
Hi, Brother Jim, and I just wanted to first say thank you to you and Bob Knight. The work you guys do is so important, and I hope all of your listeners realize this, that it's a call to action for all of us. That being said, I went and I observed the polls after I voted, when they were counting the ballots and doing all of that, and I'm checking out the machine and everything while I was there. I'm very gracious about it and kind, because I realize our poll workers are well-intentioned and bless their hearts, they do me well. But they were just ranting and raving, like, how are these machines, they're so great, you really have to understand and appreciate them. And so when I came back that evening to watch them count the ballots, one of the things that I noticed, so we vote in our township building where there's not even a toilet, there's no internet or anything like that there. So when the machine was on, I took a screenshot of it. I was checking for Wi-Fi signal, and I picked up a couple Wi-Fi signals. And when the machine shut off, when I watched them unplug it, I checked again, and that it changed. And so it's just, and then they also told me earlier that they don't inject anything into the machines. I asked how they count the ballots thereafter when they send them to the county. And they said, oh, we just take the paper ballots and we deliver them to the clerk in the city, and then they take them to the county. They said, but there's no memory drive or stick that you stick in, and they're like, nope. But then at the end, I watched them pull out 3 of them. And so I felt so bad because they do really mean well. In their minds, this is excellent, an advancement in science and make their jobs easier. But I'm just reminded of a woman who survived the Holocaust. They had my countrymen known the dangers that come due to it being an incremental, creeping gradualism. If they had known, they'd have possible death. And that's what I see right now. People just don't know. And we saw 2020 to today. It's happening incrementally, but also so quickly.
Molly, thank you for the call. Bob, any response?
Well, that's very sobering. And by the way, my own daughter was an election official in Virginia, and she said that she was struck by a couple things. One, the dedication of others who were looking at the polls. Everybody was on the up and up. But she said that the chain of accountability is so thin because they had to hand over boxes of ballots to other people who then took them to a central counting house. She said if our people were honest, but what if they weren't? She said she was struck by how easy it would be to cheat. And that worried her. And she was there to make sure there was no cheating. Well, she's patriotic. She wanted to participate. But we have to get to, well, the most secure system would be paper ballots, so you have a paper trail. But a machine counting. Not the voting machines where you press them and make your selection and stuff. They can be hacked. But just a counting machine. And then you count the ballots against that. Jane Kristen Adams is one of the most informed election experts in the country. So that is probably the most secure we can get.
Well, I think the call others like here. Let's go to Carly in Union, Kentucky. Here.
Hi, thank you for taking my call. I think it's very important that the American people get involved in the voting process as far as counting ballots, watching ballots, because the Democrats are pulling stuns, and this is not acceptable. These machines could be working perfectly. The lady before mentioned the Wi-Fi signal. The people that we have elected have been looking at this and fixing this before the presidential election. So I'm just encouraging everybody to get involved, count ballots, oversee the ballots, because we need people that are going to be honest to do this.
Thank you for that. And Bob, I know that even in our history of our nation, we talk about even our documents, our government is made for moral and righteous people. But when we divide that characteristic of our nation, will be to that nation.
Yeah, you have to have an honest, self-governing populace to be a self-governing republic. If you have people who have no self-control, who just go by their appetites, they can be easily misled. And that's the downfall of democracy. I forget who said it years ago, but once the people find out they can vote themselves largesse from the treasury, that's when your democracy is going to end. And it'll just go over and be corrupt, and the people who promise the most free stuff will prevail. That seems to be happening in our country. But, Jim, I've said it before, and others have said it, we need a revival. We can't do this without God, obviously. We botched it pretty badly. So God could heal our country, and I keep praying He will.
And righteousness exalts a nation. Sin is a reproach to any people. Let's go to Kate in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, Kate, you're on the air.
Hi, yes, thank you so much for bringing the education and awareness to our country. Something that I was considering, there seems to be so much bickering and endless lawsuits. The Democrats over time have felt that there's a problem with elections. The Republicans over time have felt that there's a problem with the elections. So therefore we can agree there is a problem that needs to be fixed. And if President Trump wants to be, continue to be effective with saving our country as a retired health education individual, I'd like to see that they come together and with the platform that he and Governor DeSantis have in Florida, could they not have an educational program rather than bickering to who's going to run for president, offer an education program like you do on your radio program and have the foundation for our youth, save our country for God and country through our youth, and to instill and preserve and to continue to impact that foundation of values and virtues, our Constitution, and to respect what we have here in America for God and country. They could have constitutional retreat, and he could still be effective for our country, and we need good leadership so that those of us can follow and protect our country. And I'd like to know, besides what you're doing through your program, what else can we do to have that foundation for our youth and save our youth, because they are what's going to be impacting our country in the future.
Thank you, Pete. Great question, Bob.
Oh, I agree completely. And first step for Christian parents, if you can do it, take your kids out of the government schools. Really, we've got a good close look at them because of COVID, and they are serving up false history, anti-Americanism, critical race theory, transgender indoctrination. And this is happening all over the country. This isn't just California or Massachusetts. Really, if you think your schools are safe, you better think again. At the same time, we need to reform the schools because we don't want the kids who are left there falling prey to these predators. A lot of these people are Marxists. They've really used the schools as a way to indoctrinate kids. I remember my wife was substituting at a public school not that long ago, and it was around Thanksgiving time, and she said, they had a lesson about Thanksgiving, and it was all about how evil the white people were in Plymouth, Massachusetts, and how the Indians were mistreated. There was no sense of Thanksgiving. There was no sense that this was the beginning of a great country, the Mayflower Compact. In other words, the kids were given a terrible view of America. This was a few years ago. I can't imagine how bad it is now. Given Howard Zinn's A People's History of the United States, it's become a best-selling book all over the country, and educators use it.
We're up against a break. Thank you, Keith, for the call. And let me just say there are organizations, and if you do some looking, you'll find, like Wisconsin Family Council, for instance, has something for young people called Lead Wisconsin, where they actually have a leadership training session for teenagers to equip them to be godly leaders and engaging the culture from a biblical perspective. Now, they have sister type of groups in states across the country, so there are things that are going on, and getting information out on these events is so important. Back in a minute here on Crosstalk. For the World View Report, I'm Brandon House. Our website is worldviewreport.com. Well, the 2022 midterms are now over. What happened? Well, the red wave never happened. Is that because of voter fraud? It seems pretty clear there was voter fraud involved. But what's most disturbing to me in addition to that is the number of propositions that passed that are pro-abortion, that are for abortion on demand and extreme late term. And then the laws related to undermining parental authority when it comes to minors having abortion without their parents' knowledge or permission. And then the propositions passing that deal with transgenderism and transitioning of children. Are these really passing? Is this the moral decay that America's come to? If so, fraud set aside, America is receiving the leaders they deserve in God's judgment. I'm Brandon. Robert Knight with us here today on Crosstalk and giving some post-election analysis. Just a reminder, if you'd like to get his email, his stories, his columns, all you have to do is drop him an email. RobertKnight4@gmail.com. Robert Knight, spelled with a K. Robert Knight, 4@gmail.com. Just say in the subject line, sign me up, and he'll get you signed up. Bob, the previous caller who had indicated to us, what groups are out there, how can we start this conversation? There are groups. We've interviewed Trail Life USA here on Crosstalk. They're mentoring boys. American Heritage Girls is mentoring girls. Programs like these can make an impact.
Oh, yeah, and then Turning Point USA for college students and high school students. there are good groups out there that are teaching real American history and acquainting kids with the value of being patriotic. There's still so much good in America. We need to preserve it.
Let's go to Al in Bridgeport, West Virginia. Al, you're on the air.
Thank you, Brother Jim, for taking my call here today. Brother Robert, thank you for what you're doing in this fight. It's really important. I want to a couple different things real quick. There's been a civil war on the mind of our children for the last 30 years or more. They're finally getting what they want. They've got these children's minds manipulated. We're just totally brain dead. It's just awful. I mean, this stuff that's out there today. And really, too, another thing, too, Kevin McCarthy, I don't think I really trust him that much, but he's going to be better than the alternative we had before. It depends on who he's running with, I guess, at the time. But get back to the kids. Brother Robert, they've been trying for years, and they've finally brainwashed our children, I believe, unfortunately. But if you train your child up in the Lord, they shall return.
Thank you for the call here. As we talked about the indoctrination, Bob, you referred to that earlier in the program.
Yeah, it's been going on for years. The National Education Association, the American Federation of Teachers, has been totally Marxist controlled, and they pretty much run the schools. They insisted on these long lockdowns to really hurt the kids. Of course, now the leadership is denying they ever really push for lockdowns. They go eye open. It's just shocking. So you got to get your kids out of those government schools if you can. Make sacrifices. And get homeschool, or you can get them to a Christian school. I know it's hard in some cases. And for those who are left, whatever you do, don't look the other way. Go in, find out what they're teaching. Talk to the teachers. Try to elect school boards that reflect your values. That is a revolution in progress, and that's one of the signs of hope we have.
Let's go to Jerry in Whitewater. You're on the air.
Yeah, you mentioned early in the program about this bill that's coming up that we got our caller senators. Who are the two Republican senators that are in favor of this bill? Everybody needs to contact your own senators, but contact those two. That line needs to be tied up.
Yeah, Tammy Baldwin has said that she has got some that are telling her quietly, okay, so not publicly, as to who is going to be backing this. We know that Senator Portman has been very much engaged with this, and I don't know if I have quick access to the other. I mean, early on, even Senator Ron Johnson of Wisconsin indicated he would vote for it. He kind of backed away from it then, so we don't know where he is actually going to come down on the legislation. We understand Susan Collins also is part of this as well, out of Maine, and so
Murkowski probably.
And it's one of those things that again, as she said, she's got some people who are confiding in her secretly to just reach out to those two senators, to your two U.S. senators.
Right. So Maine and Alaska, and possibly Ron Johnson, and did you mention another name?
Yeah,
Portman in Ohio.
Portman out of Ohio.
Portman, okay, Ohio, Maine, and Alaska. And the other thing is, people keep saying there was no red wave. I don't believe that for one millisecond. We have a small community here where I voted, and they said it was just unbelievable that the turnout. They said it was over 70%. We have still paper ballots in this small township here in southern Wisconsin, and they said it was just unbelievable. And I believe it was stolen. If you remember early in the summer when Nancy Pelosi and Biden clearly stated that that Democrats need not to worry. We got this thing wrapped up. In other words, they were basically telling us the fix was in. Well, that infuriated a lot of us to make us want to get out and vote, and I believe that's what happened. Look in Florida, look in Ohio. They won all their seats in Ohio, and Florida just went. There was a red wave. It's just that if it was stolen, it was stolen.
Jerry, thank you for the call. We're down to less than a minute and a half, and I want to get one more call in. This is Matt, who's been holding a long time in Northfield, Wisconsin. You're on the air, Matt.
Hi, Jim. I just wanted to touch base with you again. I spoke with you before about the voter rolls and my mom still being on the voter roll 11 months after she had passed away in a small unincorporated village of Northfield. And I was wondering if Bob could maybe comment on that. The clerk had told me that it was up to the county to take her name off, and then one of the poll workers told me that it was up to me to take a death certificate in. Well, I haven't done that, but her name was still on the voter rolls, and I think it's painfully obvious they stole this election, and I would just want to hear Bob's comment on that.
Thank you so much, Bob.
That's one of the biggest problems in the country is registration rules that haven't been cleaned up. That violates federal law. We've had the law in the books since Bill Clinton, National Voter Registration Act, and a lot of these officials will not clean up the voter rolls until they're forced to. So citizens sometimes have to take it upon themselves to go in and find out things like this gentleman's mom still being on the voter rolls, and you have to protest it and insist they remove the name. I hope he goes in with a death certificate. He shouldn't have to do that. It should be a lot easier. They should cross-check against Social Security and lots of other things. But yeah, that's one of the things they did in Florida. I mean, they cleaned up the election process.
Bob, we're going to have to leave it there. We are out of time. Thank you, caller, for your comments. Bob Knight with us here today. And again, to get his book Crooked, djkm.org/crooked. If you'd like his columns, just send him an email, robertknight4, that's the number 4, @gmail.com. Put in the subject line, sign me up. Bob, thank you for being with us today.
Always a pleasure, Jim. God bless you.
And friends, just a reminder, our God is still on the throne. No emergency session call. What he has before ordained will come to pass. You've been listening to Crosstalk by satellite and the internet from PCY America. Views expressed may or may not be those of this station. For CD of today's program, send a donation of $6 or more to PCY Take Ministry, 3434 West Kilbourne Avenue, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 53208. Or download by RSS or podcast from crosstalkamerica.com. And join us again for Crosstalk. And with some of them distancing themselves from the former president, Donald Trump is looking ahead to 2024. He's poised to kick off another run for the White House. Writing on his social media network, he said he hopes tonight's announcement from his Mar-a-Lago club will turn out to be one of the most important days in the history of our country. Ray Cluxton, Palm Beach, Florida.
Also at SRNews.com, the Cambodian Prime Minister is COVID-19 and is leading a group of 20 meetings in Bali, just days after hosting President Biden and other world leaders for a summit that was in his country's capital. The president tested negative this morning and is not considered a close contact. Three members of the University of Virginia football team gunned down Sunday by a man police say is a former player are being mourned as the shooting suspect is charged with a murder. Julie Walker has one.
On campus, a vigil overnight for Devin Chandler, Laval Davis Jr., and Deshaun Perry. Earlier through tears, football player Aaron Famuli spoke of his teammates. Two other students were wounded in the shooting. The players were on a bus returning from a class trip when police say Christopher Darnell Jones Jr. opened fire. He's been on their radar. UVA Police Chief Tim Longo.
The comment about Mr. Jones owning a gun was not made in conjunction with any threats.
I'm Julie Walker.
Stocks have turned mixed. The Dow is down 182 points. The Nasdaq heading 54. This is SRN News. What does church mean to you? SRN's Michael Harrington reports.
And this time the question has to do with the church building itself, the physical structure. Is it something special, holy, transcendent? That's what the Barna Group investigates in a new poll. It reveals 47% of the general U.S. population feels peaceful just sitting inside a church. 42% feel more connected to God. 40% say walking into a church makes them feel safe. 62% believe churches are transcendent places. 89% of Christians agree. Michael Harrington, SRN News.
The United Methodist Church moved farther from biblical orthodoxy during U.S. regional meetings this month. The denomination marked the election of its second openly homosexual bishop, a move conservatives say will only accelerate their exit from one of the nation's largest Protestant denominations. This is SRN News. Sentencing begins today for the man convicted of killing 6 people and injuring dozens at a Christmas parade in Wisconsin last year.
On November 21st of last year, Darrell Brooks drove his SUV to a Christmas parade in Milwaukee suburb of Waukesha. He'll be sentenced for 6 counts of first-degree intentional homicide, which carries a mandatory life sentence in Wisconsin. The judge has discretion on 70 other charges and will make a decision after hearing victim impact statements. Brooks is facing 6 consecutive life sentences plus more than 850 years in prison. Tasha Stevens reporting.
Well, the cause of the deadly collision between 2 military aircraft at the Dallas Air Show to commemorate Veterans Day remains unknown. The accident will likely bring discussion over additional safety rules previous recommendations that focus on protecting spectators and aircraft maintenance. More details at srnnews.com. I'm John Scott.